Our lives are surrounded by electronics. We actually depend on them. From the morning coffee machine to the computers at the workplace, from music systems to air conditioners, everything is electronics. Hemargroup brings innovation, simplicity, and flexibility in the electronics industry. We can create your next electronic product and ease out the complexity of your company's processes. We offer redesigning of existing devices, review and optimization of production cost, engineering and development services, and many other customized services. At Hemargroup, the production flow is kept simple and professional. We start at the offering, purchasing, stocking. We pass through SMD and THD production. And after any special handling or final assembly, and ultimately electronic test, we deliver your products right away. Our Swiss-made quality enables us to provide excellence to all kinds of customers, whether industrial, commercial, or medical. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with us today and let's create the most remarkable electronics for our next future. Hemargroup. Electronic is our world. Manufacturing our passion.